running, right?
Hey. There we go. Let it go.
Oh, he didn't even use them.
That was pretty good.
I'm pretty sure I moved it to watch, so I think I just got your reaction. I was like,
What am I doing here?
I don't know. Servicing this nice young lady.
Hey, you're a Christian part. You're the fucking link. Yeah, I made that happen. That was awesome. Did he go up your back? I thought he was going to, but he didn't. Where did Bruce go?
Do they float? Did he really? He didn't really lose his camera like this, did he? It does float though?